What I'd like to show you here today is this new Wyze Duo Cam. It has a camera here and a camera down here. Just pull it off of here for a second. Here's the downward facing camera for looking at packages. I've just temporarily stuck it up here. So let me show you how this would work. If someone pushed the doorbell button, you see the pop-up here on the Wyze app. And here's the Echo Show. As you can see, I'm inside here because it's easier to show this all at once rather than outside and running back in. So it's as simple as that. You get your pop-up here, or if you have an Echo Show, but you get that. Now, the second thing to notice is that if I get motion detected, I didn't push the doorbell, but there's motion, it'll show here on the Wyze app, but it will not show on the Echo Show unless you order the Cam Plus subscription from Wyze. And the first thing I showed you with the doorbell push, that can work with just the regular free account. And you don't even need to create an Alexa routine. It just does it automatically. But if you want the motion detected to show up over here, you then, I'll show you a video on that using Cam Plus. The other thing is, if you want to write Alexa routines, you could personalize the greeting to say something like, when they push the doorbell, say, "Oh, Mom, be sure you check the camera before you open the door." The other neat thing about this dual video camera is that it uses a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to buy the replacement batteries, and it can take an SD card right under this battery, so you can record here locally. And now, if I just get some motion detected here.
Dad, there is motion at the doorbell. Okay.
You can see it'll pop up. Just turn this mic off. And so that's because I have Cam Plus enabled. And it's as simple as that. For full details, you can see the link in the description below.
There is motion at the doorbell.